Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Wise, TransferWise, for international payments, my dropshipper experience. Wise, TransferWise, now known simply as Wise, offers international money transfer services, particularly beneficial for businesses like dropshipping operations that frequently deal with cross-border transactions. It aims to provide faster, cheaper, and more transparent international payments compared to traditional banks. Key features include multi-currency accounts, debit cards, and easy integration with various platforms. Their website provides detailed information about their services, fees, and supported currencies. Wise emphasizes transparency, showcasing its low fees and mid-market exchange rates upfront, no hidden fees, no nasty surprises. They claim to be significantly cheaper than traditional banks for international transfers, often cutting out hefty markups on exchange rates. The platform utilizes a peer-to-peer system to facilitate transfers, essentially matching payments between users in different countries to reduce costs. You can easily check availability and supported currencies on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Wise for international payments for my dropshipping business. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I signed up on their website, verified my identity, and within a couple of hours, my account was ready. The interface is clean and intuitive. Setting up transfers is a breeze. I simply select the recipient's currency, enter the amount, and choose the payment method. I was particularly impressed with how easy it was to link my business bank account and automate some recurring payments to my suppliers. In terms of performance, Wise has been consistently reliable. Transfers typically arrive within a day or two, sometimes even within a few hours, depending on the currencies involved. The transaction history is detailed and easy to track, which is vital for managing my dropshipping finances. I even had a quick question about a transfer and their support responded within a day via email, resolving my query efficiently. The standout feature for me was definitely the transparency of the fees. What I see is what I pay. No hidden charges creeping in later. One minor drawback I noticed is that while the mobile app is functional, it lacks some of the more advanced features available on the desktop platform. For example, managing multiple currency accounts is a bit more cumbersome on the app. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for setting up batch payments, but once I figured it out, it saved me a lot of time. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Wise. While it has a few quirks, it generally meets my needs as a dropshipper, offering a much more cost-effective and transparent solution for international payments compared to the methods I used previously. That's my overview of Wise, TransferWise, for international payments, my dropshipper experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.